Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So when I first found out I was pregnant with my first baby, I experienced a flood of emotions. Mostly joy, but also nervousness. That's because having a baby is one of the most wonderful human experiences someone can have, and I was beyond excited. Now I also knew that it wasn't cheap. That means that choosing your baby registry is a very important decision. You want to make sure you get every advantage, every available perk, and the best possible prices for your registry list so you don't end up paying ridiculous prices for the common must-have items. This also allows your friends and family to purchase items that fit within their budget. My name is Sweeta and I'm a registered nurse in the LA area, here to share my new mommy journey with you all. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And now we're going to be talking about the right baby registry for you. So let's get started. The most conventional baby registry has to be where you select items from a store that carries the baby products, and then your friends and family have to actually go to the store to purchase that item for you. This includes the popular Target Baby Registry, Bye Bye Baby, IKEA, Pottery Barn Kids, and there's a couple more out there. And these are all amazing stores with amazing products. The only downside to this type of registry is some people don't actually like to go to the store to purchase. It's kind of like an inconvenience for them. But mama, all these stores usually have a free goodie box for you once you sign up for your registry. I would take advantage and sign up because these boxes include tons of items like burping cloths, infant formulas, baby bottles, pacifiers, clothes, and samples of shampoo and laundry detergent for the baby. So if I were you, I'd definitely sign up. And there's nothing wrong with this conventional type of registry. So if you like more of that conventional type of registry, then go ahead and sign up for one of these registries where your guests will go to the store, purchase that item for you, and then bring it to you to your baby shower or to your house or however you like. Now, the next type of registry is relatively new and it's known as the Universal Baby Registry. That's because these registries allow you to add gifts from literally any store that you like, whether it has a website or not. And it could be within the states or even outside of the states. And a few known universal registries are myregistry.com and Babylist. So to help make it easy, my registry has an add to my registry button that you can add on your browser and click and add away at items that you want. If you're in a store and you like an item, you can literally scan any product's barcode with your phone using the My Registry app to add those items to your baby shower registry. And another plus is that you can import your registries at other stores. There's also a funding option so parents-to-be can ask for cash gifts, but be aware that there are some fees involved. And with Babylist, you simply add items of your choice from any store you want, and your guests will purchase that item through that store's website, and then that item will be removed from your list so that your guest does not purchase duplicate items, which usually happens during baby showers. The perks of this kind of registry is that you still get to enjoy some of the after baby discount perks from several other retailers. So for example, if you choose Pottery Barn Kids or Target items on your registry, you'll get like 20% off and 15% off completion discounts respectively. So it just depends on the store and how much they're offering, and with that discount you can purchase items that you did not get from your registry. So some of the cons for this type of universal registry is that it's kind of new and it can confuse many of your guests. I know I was definitely confused while navigating it. It felt kind of overwhelming and I kind of wanted something more convenient instead of choosing all these items from different stores and purchasing it. So that's where the next registry comes in. Can you guess what it is? Yep, the Amazon Baby Registry. So, if all your guests are most likely online shoppers, Amazon is a comprehensive one-stop shop that's perfect for a one-and-done baby shower registry. Because on Amazon, you can add all the big, little, and in-between baby items that you possibly want. And the prices are literally so affordable and the items will ship fast. If your guests are Amazon Prime members, it's amazing because it's free shipping on their end. If they're not Prime members, they'll still qualify for free shipping if the purchase is above $25, which usually is on a baby registry. So the Amazon Baby Registry is amazing because it's the holy grail of baby registries. There is literally so many products on Amazon that you can go and sift and choose from. And Amazon also sends you a welcome goodie box with amazing goodies. And once you reach $500 in gift purchases, you're eligible to receive 20% off diaper discounts for the first year. How amazing is that? I can't say enough great things about this registry because that's the one I personally went with, and I was so happy with it. I got my items delivered to me. It was so convenient. I was able to check off what I had already and what I didn't have yet. My friends just jumped on, ordered, and sent me my gifts, and it was pandemic quarantine time, so I didn't have an actual baby shower. I had to cancel. So this was such a convenient way to get my gifts and to organize the nursery and the baby room. And I am so happy with that completion discount because I was able to purchase a few big items for 20% off that I didn't receive from my registry. And I'm also taking advantage of the 20% off diaper discount, which is amazing because you literally get like $8 to $10 off each big box of diapers you order. So really think about it, which one of these is right for you. Maybe you like the conventional one where your friends go to the store and buy for you. Maybe you like the universal online one where you can find any item that you want from any store and add it to your registry. Or, like me, you just want something simple, something easy, so then Amazon will be the right registry for you. So comment down below which registry you went with or what you recommend. I would love to hear your comments. And if you want more videos like this, then please hit like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys. Until next time.